County in northeast,
Guys.
northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated bands of moderate to heavy rain crossing through greater Boston area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen in communities south of Boston. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area during the next several hours. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash
Guys,
flooding
they
caused by
issued
heavy
another
rain,
flash flood
flash
warning.
flooding of small streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and
Yikes.
low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Boston, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Lynn, Newton, Somerville, Waltham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Weymouth, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Salem, Billerica, Beverly, and Woburn.
Wow, Boston. Wow, Boston.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
Wow, Boston. Just issued another flash flood warning. Wow. Just thanks, Boston, for issuing that. This probably isn't the first flash flood warning, actually. We should look at it, guys. See? Elsa's coming. I swear to God, if another flash flood warning is issued, I am going to lose my Boston had me up at 3 in the morning yesterday. All because of a marine warning that was issued which probably might get issued today. We'll see. 0.5 inches for 1 hour. National Weather Service. Whoops. Hang on. I'm gonna read it. Plymouth, Norfolk, Suffolk, Suffolk, Middlesex, yeah. See, bulletin, EAS activation requested. The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning until 3:30 p.m. At 9:32 a.m. Doppler radar indicated bands of moderate to heavy rainfall. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms? Oh, by heavy rain. I don't know. Some locations that will experience flash flooding. Oh, Cam the Cat is in this. Cam the Cat's in Weymouth. He's under the flash flood warning. Boston, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Lynn, Newton, Somerville, Waltham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Weymouth, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Salem, Billerica, Beverly, and Woburn. And turn around, don't drown. Be aware of, yeah, you all know the drill. But that's that.
Visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Tonight, southwest winds 50 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Seas 4 to 7 feet, subsiding.
2 flash flood warnings. Probably another one's gonna get issued, so I'll get back to y'all when that does happen if I film it.